In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a schedule in Google Sheets. Creating a personalized schedule can significantly enhance your organization and productivity, and using Google Sheets is a fantastic way to customize your plan and keep track of all your tasks effortlessly. Let's dive right in and see how you can set this up. First, you'll want to open Google Sheets and start a new blank spreadsheet. Once you're in, it's time to establish the basic layout of your schedule. Begin by adding your days of the week to row 1. You can simply type in the days from Monday through Sunday, spreading them across the top. Then move to column A. This column will hold your daily schedule, so start by adding your time slots. You might choose to begin at 8 o'clock a.m. and fill in each row beneath with consecutive time slots like 9 o'clock a.m., 10 o'clock a.m., and so forth. What this does is create a skeleton for your schedule, allowing you to fill in tasks throughout your week. Now that you have a structure in place, it's time to populate it with your schedule. Click on any cell where you want to add a task and type in the activity you plan to do at that time. This could be a meeting, a study session, a workout, or any other activity you have planned. To ensure everything is easy to read, consider adjusting the row height. This can give you a clearer view of what each time slot entails as you look at your sheet. Once your tasks are filled in, you can enhance clarity by adding some color. To do this, select a group of cells that belong to the same category, like all work-related tasks. Then click the Fill Color button and choose a color that represents this category for you. Maybe use green for work, blue for personal time, and yellow for study sessions. By using different colors, you instantly make your schedule more readable and visually appealing. After coloring, go ahead and add some borders to your table for a clean and distinct look. Select your entire table, then click on the Borders tool to add lines between cells. While you're at it, you might also want to bold the headers in row 1 to make those days stand out. For overall neatness, center align the text across your table. This gives your schedule a polished appearance and ensures all your information is easy to scan at a glance. Freezing the header row is a handy next step. By going to the View menu and selecting Freeze, then choosing one row, your days will remain visible even as you scroll through your schedule. This feature is particularly useful for lengthy schedules, as it keeps you oriented no matter where you are on the page. Finally, if you want to go the extra mile, consider adding drop-downs to your schedule. Select the cells where you want this feature, then click Insert and Drop Down. You can create options like Work, Break, or Meeting, giving you a quick way to update your schedule as plans change. And there you have it, your very own customized schedule in Google Sheets. By following these steps, you can create a straightforward yet effective management tool that keeps you organized and on track. Happy scheduling!